Hey guys, AI is booming and moving very fast, and you know this by now. Veo 3.1 and Sora 2 are already obsolete, and if you're still trying to squeeze viral results out of Veo 3.1 prompts alone, you're pretty late to the party. Here's why. The game just shifted from generating videos to cloning what actually makes videos go viral. This new tool by ByteDance called Pippit AI lets you clone the creative DNA of any viral video on the internet. No more guessing prompts, just plain works. Not the style in a vague way, the actual structure, the hook timing, the pacing, the visual rhythm, the sound effects, the narrative flow, all of it. Think about how most people use Sora 2 or Veo 3.1 today. You start from zero. You try to describe a cinematic idea, you tweak prompts for hours, and when the visuals look good, the video still feels flat. Why? Well, because viral videos are not about the visuals alone, they are about structure, and that's what Pippit targets. You take viral TikTok, you take a viral YouTube short, or even a high-end Veo 3.1 or Sora 2 cinematic clip. You drop it into Pippit as a reference, and Pippit analyzes the creative DNA behind it, the opening hook length, where cuts happen, how tension builds, when text appears, and how audio punches land. Then it generates a brand new video for you with the same viral backbone. New content, same proven structure. This is why Sora 2 as a standalone tool is effectively dead for creators chasing reach. It can generate visuals, but Pippit can recreate results. Let me give you a concrete example. Say you see an AI video going viral online. Fast hook in the first second, quick jump cuts, clean captions, tight voiceover, punchy background sound. Normally, you'd try to reverse engineer that manually. Script, edit, test, fail, repeat. But with Pippit, you use that viral video as the reference. Then you generate your own version about a completely different topic with the same pacing, same hook energy, same visual flow, but this time it's your script, your message, your brand. Another example, which could be cinematic ads, right? You see a stunning Veo 3.1 product video or a surreal Sora 2 concept clip. Normally, you try to recreate that look from scratch and hope the model understands you. Now, Pippit supports direct creative DNA cloning from Veo 3.1 and Sora 2 videos themselves. That means those models become reference engines, not production tools. You let Veo or Sora create something amazing once. Then Pippit turns that into a repeatable system. Same cinematic feel, same emotional beats, faster launch, and no guesswork. That's the shift that most people haven't realized just yet. The new workflow is not generated from scratch. A new workflow is a clone of what already works. Now inside of Pippit, you can literally line up the original reference video and the generated result. You'll see a matching hook timing, similar scene transitions, aligned music energy, but the visuals and narration are rebuilt for your use case. Creators stuck in the post and pray loop are breaking out of it with this. Not because Pippit magically makes bad ideas viral. No, it's because it removes the hardest part, which is packaging. You focus on what you want to say, Pippit handles how it should be delivered to match viral patterns, and ByteDance has been optimizing these for years. And yes, this is coming from the same ecosystem that basically wrote the playbook for TikTok virality. Compared to older avatar or template-based tools, this is a different category. Those tools help you make videos. Pippit helps you make videos that belong in winning feeds. So if you're still opening Sora 2 and hoping the next prompt hits, you're already behind. The smarter move is using those outputs or any viral video online as fuel for Pippit. Same flow, same effects, same visual and audio energy on a higher level and faster or way faster to launch. If you care about reach, this is the moment. Before everyone else catches on, go check out Pippit at www.pippit.ai, link in the description down below. Clone a viral video from your niche, compare it side by side, you'll see immediately why the rules have just changed. And if you want more breakdowns like this on AI tools that actually move the needle, subscribe and stay sharp. See you guys in the next video.